Yo, what's up guys? It's me back here with another Scratch tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be starting a new series where we make a FNAF game that's better and bigger and better than the last time we made a FNAF game. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna learn a lot. Also, like, I know I haven't uploaded in like 3 months. So like 120 days. So that, yeah, I apologize for that. It's like school and stuff. But I'm gonna start uploading again. So it's okay. We're fine. Yeah. So, anyways, I have a blank project here. So first off, we want to go ahead and say goodbye to Scratch Cat. Delete it. Let's go ahead and not choose a sprite. Paint a new sprite. And let's call it. So we're working on the main menu today. Let's actually make an animatronic, right? So call this models. And this is where we're gonna make our animatronics. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try and make some kind of animatronic, right? So I'm gonna not take an outline, let's do a put it there like that. Oh my god, wait. Okay. We gotta make them a little bit longer. Wait, that actually looks pretty decent. What the heck? I'm kind of happy with this. It looks goofy, but I love it. That's great. And then what you want to do is you want to select everything after you're done with your animatronic. Select it all, and then move it to the center. Okay. And also his color, like everything is the same, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it a little bit. Like I'm gonna make his body a little darker, you know. Send his arms to the back and legs. We're gonna send him to the back. Oh, we made his body a little darker. That looks pretty good. Okay, that looks good. I'm happy with that. I'm also just gonna like copy this leg over because the other one was like not the same height. All right. So I'm happy with this animatronic. Let's call him. We need a name. Let's call him Antler. Cause why not, right? He looks like an ant, which I might just do that. You're stuck with a bunch of ants and you have to get out. That might be the lore. But okay, we have one animatronic. I'm gonna duplicate and add another. Right, he's gonna be the same, except. Alright, I'm just gonna do golden antler for this one. I'm just gonna make everything like a shade of gold. Alright, we have golden antler here, right? And then I'm gonna duplicate normal antler and then make one where he's all gray, because that would be kind of cool, right? Alright, like that looks pretty fire. Okay, and we're gonna call this steel antler. Okay, so there's 3 different versions of him, and the story is gonna be that this one bad guy, right, the antler, he's gonna be coming and chasing you with his twins, steel antler and golden antler. Okay, which is, I mean, I feel like that's pretty good lore for being on the spot. Okay, so we have our 3 models. You can customize them however you would like. I did just spend like 30 minutes of my life on them. But what I am going to do now is let's go ahead and code a simple main menu. So first, what we want to do is in the model sprite, right? We're gonna pull out a one green flag clicked, and then a hide. Because that's what because we never want to see the models. All right. Now let's go ahead and paint another sprite. There's gonna be a lot of painting sprites here. And I'm gonna go into the models, go into antler and copy it. Right, just hit copy. Go into sprite. Go into the new sprite, and click paste. Now we have him over here. And as a normal FNAF, like a FNAF screen, right? I want to put him obviously down here and make it bigger, right? I'm also gonna set this to 0, 0, so I know what it looks like here. But the thing is here, I want to kind of make it look different. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold shift and rotate this exactly 180 degrees. So now he's upside down, right? He's upside, or you could just hit flip vertical. So now he's upside down, and I want to make him like look at you from the ceiling, because I think that will look pretty cool. So I just have him like that. There we go. So he's now upside down. And then I'm gonna duplicate this. So right click, hit duplicate. And then I'm just gonna change a couple things. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate his head. Like that. That's like. Then I'm gonna flip this horizontally, so now his head is rotated like that. I'm gonna duplicate that. And then maybe just do one without his head. Okay, that just looks weird. That actually just looks weird. I'm gonna duplicate that and do one with his eyes like completely red. That might look cool. Okay, that looks pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie. Like if I saw that, like if I just woke up and saw that, I would be pretty scared. Okay, so we have that. Now let's do one with where he's like that, but with his eyes red, and do one where he's like that with his eyes red. Boom. So we have him like this, then him like that, then him like that, him like that, and that. Okay, that's pretty scary. Okay, so in the code tab, let's go ahead and change the sprite name to antler menu, right? Because that's what we're gonna see in the menu. And then we're gonna do when green flag clicked, show actually, and we're going to set size to 100. Oh, it's why is scratch? Okay, set size to 100. Go to 0, 0, and switch costume to costume 1. Okay, so he'll be like that at the beginning of the game. Now let's go ahead and do a forever wait. Let's go ahead and wait. Pick random 0.1 to 5 seconds, right? So it could be like a very long period of time or a very short period of time. Then we're gonna switch costume to pick random 1 to 6. Right, because we have 6 costumes here. I have 6 costumes here. So switch costume, pick random, him like that. Okay. That is, it needs to go faster. So we're gonna 0.1 to 1. That's like very slow. So, oh wait. Okay. I have an idea. So over here we're gonna do pick random 1 to 5 still, okay? But then I'm gonna right click this, duplicate it, and then we're gonna wait 0.1 second and switch costume to pick random 1 through 6 again. Now, see, now it's more like glitchy. Okay, that's pretty glitchy. And then I'm gonna duplicate that again to make it even more random. Yeah, see, that I feel like that looks pretty good. Okay, that'll look better like in the dark with all the effects and stuff, but I feel like that looks pretty good. Um, in the backdrop section, right? Let's go ahead and paint a backdrop and just make it all black. Okay, so take a square and just make the entire thing black like that, and then could just call it blank, right? And then do when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to blank. Alright, so in the menu, we have antler, we have the backdrop. What we also want to do is in the antler menu, let's go ahead and just make a black square like that, right? Which doesn't make sense, but make a black square like that. And then in the fill, right? Click fill, and then click gradient. So this little box right here, you want to do the vertical one. And switch it around so white is first, then it's black. But instead of white, what you want to do is set it to no color. So, and then make it like a bit bigger. So it's like that. And then you want to take it again, copy it, paste it, and then turn it around and move it to the side here. So now it looks like even scarier. It looks like it's more dark. So, okay. The problem here is that it's not in every single costume. So if we just go ahead and group that, copy it, and then paste it on every single one. Put in every single costume. There we go. That should be good. Yep, that looks pretty scary. Okay. And also, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this one to the left, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we have the dude in the menu pretty much fully done. I feel like he's good the way he is right now. And real quick, I'm just gonna paint another sprite and call it credits, right? And then make some text that says made by game developer 1234, which is my username on Scratch. I'm just gonna write it in this font right here. Boom. Make it white, so then it's like that. Alright. So there we go. Made by game developer 1234. So now they know that it's me. It's me who made it. And then we're gonna do when green flag clicked. Show. Go to 00. Boom. Bam. Bing. Bop. Alright. Now, we actually need a title. Because, like, yeah. So, paint a new sprite. We're going to be painting lots of sprites. Call this one title. And let's go ahead and paint some text and call it I'm going to do 5 Nights at Antlers. Alright, there we go. Boom. Bing bop. And if I make it white, wait, that looks pretty good. What the heck? I feel like it looks good there. 5 Nights at Antlers. There we go. That's a pretty good title. We can do when green flag clicked, show, and then go to 00. Okay. So we got 5 Nights at Antlers, we got Antler, we got the credits. Now let's add a play button. So let's go ahead and paint a new sprite. Play button. and make a button that says play on it. Text play. It's gonna have to be like that. And I'm gonna change the color of it to black. So you can't, oh, not that text, the box. I'm gonna change the color of the box to black. So then you can't see it. So then you can't see it on the, like, against the background. It's gonna like blend in. And I'm gonna call this normal. And then I'm gonna duplicate it. Call it hover. Right? And then the play button, what I'm just gonna do is add two greater than signs to it. And then I'm gonna make the box bigger. Okay. So we have normal and then we have hover. Alright, so for the play button, now we're actually gonna code. Let's do when green flag clicked, show, go to that position, so -117, -1. For my button, you guys can put your button wherever. And switch costume to normal. We have our play button, except it doesn't work. Is the unfortunate part. Let's actually make it work though. So we can do forever and then put in an if else statement. Touching mouse pointer, switch costume to hover, else switch costume to normal. So now we can hover over our play button. And it'll do like the weird, it'll make like a add to of these, which will make it look like it's selected, which is a pretty nice effect, you know? And then we can do inside the if touching mouse pointer, put an if mouse down broadcast game start. Alright, so that doesn't do anything though. Game start is not doing anything right now. What we're gonna do is when I receive game start, hide. And then take this, drag it into antler menu, into credits, and into title as well. So now we click it and everything disappears, which is good because we want that for our like the newspaper is gonna show up after. So that's that. And yeah, let's also go ahead and instead of play button, duplicate that, right? And call this one, let's see, settings, right? We need a settings button. So we go like this, settings. Make the box bigger. And then move it to the center. Duplicate it, call it hover. Boom. Bam. Bang. Let's move it to around there, I feel like. I feel like that's good, right? Go like that. Move it there. And okay, that is pretty good. That's working. Except when you click the settings button, everything disappears too. So we're just gonna not put anything here inside of the mouse down. And alright, so that is working pretty nice. The main menu looks pretty good for now. We have a play button, a settings button, and then our title, which looks pretty nice. What I might do is make it red. Maybe. No. That doesn't look good. That looks better. Alright, so we have Five Nights at Antlers, play, settings, we have our models, this guy, this guy, this guy. And yeah, okay. I feel like that's a good stopping point for today's video. Next episode, right? We're gonna make the newspaper and start working on the office. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know the drill. And I will see y'all in the next one. But until then, peace out.